Are you tired of letting your business's idle cash sit around, earning next to nothing? What if you could put that money to work, generating passive income without the hassle of traditional investing? Today, we're diving deep into a game changer for businesses of all sizes, the Airwallex Yield account. Many of us are familiar with the pain of checking our business bank statements and seeing a paltry interest rate. It's a frustrating reality for entrepreneurs who are focused on growth but also want to be smart with their finances. You might have thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars just sitting in your account, doing nothing. It's money that could be helping you fund your next big project, hire a new team member, or simply provide a better safety net. The problem is, traditional investment options for business cash can be complicated, time-consuming, and often come with high minimums and fees. We're talking about complex brokerage accounts, volatile stocks, or long-term bonds that tie up your funds. This is where the Airwallex Yield account changes the game. It's designed specifically for modern businesses that need both liquidity and returns. Think of it as a high-yield savings account but supercharged for business. It allows you to earn a competitive return on your multi-currency balances without locking up your cash. This is a crucial point. Your money remains accessible, so you can still use it for your day-to-day business operations, like paying suppliers or running payroll. The genius of the Airwallex Yield account lies in its seamless integration with the Airwallex platform you might already be using for international payments and currency conversions. There's no need to move your money to a separate institution. You can activate Yield with a few clicks right inside your Airwallex dashboard. So, how do you actually get started? The process is incredibly straightforward. First, you need to have an active Airwallex business account. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's easy to set up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Yield section. You'll be prompted to read and accept the terms and conditions. Airwallex uses enterprise-grade security and partners with established financial institutions, so you can feel confident in the safety of your funds. After you've accepted the terms, you can transfer funds from your Airwallex wallet into the Yield account. The platform makes it easy to see your potential earnings, which are calculated daily and paid out monthly. You'll see your money start to grow almost immediately. You can choose to allocate funds in different currencies, earning yields on everything from USD to Euro, optimizing your returns across your global operations. It's a passive income stream that works around the clock, leveraging your existing cash flow without any extra effort on your part. This isn't just about earning a few extra bucks. It's about optimizing your business's financial health and making your money work as hard as you do. Imagine using those extra returns to cover your software subscriptions, marketing costs, or even your morning coffee run. It's the kind of smart financial move that separates good businesses from great ones. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.